Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. On this channel, I do everything budget related. Today, we're going to be doing my paycheck number 1 breakdown for the month of June, and I'm going to be reconciling my last paycheck in May. All right, guys, so let's just get right into this video. Today, I am not going to be opening up a bubbly because I just opened one up for my previous video, but I can drink for you right now. Okay guys, so we're going to reconcile my previous paycheck before we break down my first paycheck in June. So I'm going to open up to the page in my budget by paycheck workbook from the Budget Mom, and we're going to get right into reconciling. Okay, so here I'm going to input my income. This is my income, any rollover money, any money that I use to replenish. So it's not just my income alone. So it's a few different sources, but we're going to put the total here. The total is $2,608.13. We're going to add this up and then put the total down here. That total is $1,097.80. Okay, so now we're gonna come up here and we're gonna add up all of my spending on this side, my actuals, and I'm gonna add the total here. So for gas, I only spent $31, and for spending, I typically put the amounts here and I leave my cash envelopes and sinking funds, but I'm going to try something different today just to see. So this 177 is my 100 that I originally, budgeted and what I took out, plus 77 that I spent, but all of this is in my account. So we're going to add all this up. Okay, so this equals $627.50. Now we're going to add up all of these. Okay, so that's $133.52. I'm going to add this up. 42 plus 44 is 86. Okay, so now we're going to take the total of my income and deduct the total of my bills. 2608.13 minus 1097.80. So that is $1,510.33. We're going to carry this over up here. 1510.33. Then we're going to deduct the $627.50. So that's $882.83. Then we're going to deduct the $133.52. That's $749.31. And we're going to bring this total to this section right here. $749.31. And we're going to subtract 86. So $663.31. That is my ending balance the day before I got paid. So today's date. And I'm going to show you on my tracker how this is my current balance in my checking account, and then I'm going to insert that for you guys to see. Okay, so as you see here, 663.31 matches this total right here, and then I'm going to insert a clip to my current bank account's balance. All right, guys, so that is how I reconcile my previous paycheck and unbalanced. Everything is recorded. And now we're going to break down my paycheck number 1. Okay, here is the June booklet. It is so pretty. It's so colorful. I love it. And I'm going to read the quote inside. It says, "Stop leaving the big dreams to the millionaires." It's really nice. Nice quote. All right, so I'm just going to open up right to the first paycheck bill tracker and just start to break down my paycheck. All right, I'm going to use my new pen that I bought from Amazon a few weeks ago. It's the Muji. I love the way this pen writes. It's so pretty. Okay, so my first bill is going to be my car notes. Actually, I'm going to write out my categories and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So now I'm just going to input the dates and the amounts. My car note is going to come out on the 4th, and that's for $145.41. I'm going to put here car note number 1. This is my car note each time I get paid. So $145.41 comes out of my paycheck every time I get paid. I wish that was my monthly bill, but okay, so JEA is $46.86, and that is due on the 9th. Capital One is due on the 14th, and I'm going to take out $29.15 out of my paycheck, and when we get to my extra debt, I'm going to explain to you how I'm going to pay for the remainder. Comcast is on the 15th, and that is for $92. All right, and now we're going to come over here to gas. I hope this doesn't bother you guys instead of me writing this way, because I can't see. My phone tripod's in the way. So let me see if I can just zoom you guys in a little bit better. Okay, so gas is going to get $65. Eating out is going to get $50. Spending $100. I'm upping my compra to $140 from $120 just to give myself enough money to buy groceries. Household is going to get $14. Supplies is going to get $24. Beauty is going to get $20. Black Friday is going to get $25. Home decor is going to get $20. And then future things is going to get $20. Now gifts is going to get $17. Car maintenance is going to get $10. Medical is going to get $50. Emergency is going to get $60. Travel $20. Savings $40. And then my cell phone $25. I am giving myself some extra money in my sinking funds this pay period. In the month of July, there's 3 paychecks, but it never works out that it's like a free paycheck for me. It's always like the month before because of how I save for my rent. So I have extra money this paycheck. So it's going to help me actually be able to stuff my envelopes a little bit more, which is good. But I'm excited to stuff all these amounts. All right, so now let's go to the extra debt. Okay, you guys, I'm going to be paying off my credit card this month. So I'm going to be pulling $652 out of my 26-week challenge. Yep, I am so excited. This 20-week challenge is going to be $46 for week 23 and then $48 for week 24. All right, I'm going to fill out my cash envelope breakdown. I'm going to fill this part out and the amounts, and then we're going to break it down. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I was missing one line, so I put my 26-week challenge down here, and I'll just write what denominations I need here and just calculate it within this total, because I don't want to use the whole entire page just for one. All right, so I'm going to fill this out. Okay, so I added a new category here, which is $2 bills. I went today actually to the bank and I got $2 bills, and I know they're gonna hopefully have more. If they don't, then I'll just have them give me singles, but I wanted to put some additional $2 into my sinking fund. So I'm gonna break this down and make sure that my total equals what I need to deduct. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this up and see what we're gonna be taking out of my paycheck tomorrow, and then break this down. Okay guys, so I forgot to put gifts, so I put gifts down here. So this is correct. We're going to be taking out $729. Okay, so I had to break down the bottom portion here to see what denominations I'm going to get. I know this seems very difficult right now, but that's okay. I just have a little bit more categories than I have in the past, so I'm going to have to just split it up next paycheck because this is a little bit confusing. All right, so now I'm going to add this up. 5, 10, 15, 20. Hit the freaking phone. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then 3 50s. Okay, so now I'm going to add this up and make sure that I did this correctly. Okay guys, so now I'm going to just add these up here, and this should equal 729. 20 plus 16 plus 55 plus 140 plus 340 plus 150, and I'm short $7. Let me just make sure. I'm short $8 actually.
Several months later, thousands of tears later.
Okay guys, I'm back. I had to take a few moments to figure this out where I messed up, but this is what I get for wanting to get $2 bills. I couldn't understand math for a second. So I wrote everything down. So now we're going to just add this up here, and this should equal 729. So let's just calculate that. So it's 24 plus 10 plus 55 plus 150 plus 340 plus 150. So that's 729 that we're going to be taking out of the bank account tomorrow. 729. Okay, so I even wrote down the teller slip just to make sure that I have the numbers correctly. So we're going to add all this up in the calculator. So we have 24 plus 10 plus 55 plus 150 plus 340 plus 150, and that is correct. So I'm going to put that amount here, 729. And that is it, guys. This video was way too long for my liking. I am tired, exhausted. I don't even know what time it is. I can't even speak. I don't even know what time it is, but I can already tell that my brain is starting to shut down and I need to go relax because I'm exhausted. I don't know if I already mentioned that, but I want to thank you guys so much if you made it this far. This one was a little bit all over the place because I decided to add 2s into my budgeting and I didn't have enough room for my sinking fund. So my next paycheck, I'm gonna have to break it down into two denominations, because having it the way it did, it was very confusing. But thank you so much for making it this far. Please go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of this video, and hit that subscribe button, guys. Have a good night, and I'll see you on my next one. Take care.